Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electronic dog doors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetSafe Electronic Smart Pet Door. Petite in size but mighty in functionality, this is by far the most favorite of all pet owners in the electronic dog door section. Packed full of tons of smart features, this electronic door gives the owners the control they need to keep their pets safe and yet free. The PetSafe Electronic Smart Dog Door works on the radio frequency identification system. Simply attach the smart key to your dog's collar and the automated flap will open when your pet is nearby. Without the smart key, the electronic smart door will never unlock. This prevents stray animals such as raccoons from entering your house. It is reasonably priced and is available in 2 sizes. There are 3 modes of operation: locked, unlocked, and automatic. Since it is the flap type model, it is relatively easy to alternate between the modes. The only issue that we found is that the dog door tends to open every time your dog is near it and not just when it wants to go out. Therefore, the safest method is to rely on the locked mode for the most time. If you have multiple pets, there can be no better alternative than the PetSmart for all their outdoor needs. One reason for its popularity is its simplicity and smart flap system, which can be controlled by the pet owner. The price, ease of installation and smart features make the PetSafe Electronic Smart Door our top pick. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PetSafe Extreme Weather Energy Efficient Pet Door. When you need a dog door for all seasons, the PetSafe Extreme Weather model comes to mind because it has been designed exclusively for that reason. To ensure maximum energy efficiency, the door comes with a unique 3-flap system. Every time your pet enters and leaves, it affects the room temperature. Especially during the winters, this can result in the loss of heat in your house. But with the revolutionary 3-flap system, this keeps the temperature within the house constant. As a result, you save 3.5 times more energy, and that makes this model the most economical on the list. The durable plastic material and the ease of installation are additional bonuses. Manufactured from a combination of plastic and nylon, this pet door has a thick frame of 3.5 inches. The frame is made of highly durable plastic that can be painted to match your existing dog door color. It is available in small, medium, and large sizes. There is a snap on the panel should you wish to restrict your pet's movement. It comes with a weather strip around the frame and an insulated flap sandwiched between 2 outer flaps that can keep cold air out or hot air in. At number 3, we have the high-tech Pet Power Electronic Pet Door. This electronic dog door model from High-Tech Pet is meant for wall installation and comes with a much-acclaimed direction sensing system. With such a sensing system, it ensures that the pet door will swing open only when your pet is ready to go out. Otherwise, it will stay locked even if it stands near the dog door, unlike other electronic dog doors which open every time your pooch passes by. You have greater control over the access in this system, as you can operate any of the 4 different modes of full access. These are in only, out only, in and out, closed and locked. This is not the usual flap system but a motor-driven sliding pet door that opens and closes automatically. For additional security, you have the option of deadbolting the dog door too. Well constructed with high-quality sensing technology, this model is the most expensive option among them all. For pet owners with budget constraint, we wouldn't recommend this option. But if money is not an issue, the high-tech Pet Power Electronic Pet Door ranks highest for both safety and utility. At number 2, we have the Perfect Pet All-Weather Energy Efficient Dog Door. The Perfect Pet All-Weather Energy Efficient Dog Door is an advanced pet door that your furry friend can use while getting into or leaving the house. Letting your dog out through this door helps minimize the loss of energy that your house or room will lose while keeping the main door open throughout the day. It is made of energy-efficient structural foam molded plastic which is easy to clean and maintain. It has adjustable frame telescopes ranging from 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inch thickness to suit the various doors or wall thicknesses. For setting up the dog door through a thick wall, you may consider purchasing the optional wall kit separately. This dog door from Perfect Pet comes in an innovative double vinyl flap design which creates an efficient air pocket. For instance, the extra large flap size stands at 9 3/4 inches by 17 inches. It comes in other sizes which should work for most dog sizes. Your furry friend uses a pet door about 5 times daily, and this leads to energy waste. This door will help to save you energy. Many dog doors are not all-weather like the Perfect Pet all-weather energy-efficient dog door. It also comes with double flaps which create an efficient air pocket. The door comes in multiple sizes to suit dogs of most sizes. And finally at number 1, we have the high-tech Pet fully automatic e-sliding glass dog door. Using the latest and most promising directional sensing system, this automatic sliding pet door can become an important part of your pet's life. The aluminum-framed pet door has the right thickness and the required track to fit into any existing door track without significant alternation works. It is motor-driven and can be activated by the ultrasonic chip in the pet's collar. You can program how the dog door opens and closes. As an added precaution, you can add in an additional latch for safety. The directional sensing system ensures that the pet door opens only when the dog is facing it and not every time it passes by. You can convert your sliding door into your pet dog door without affecting the overall aesthetics. The model has the required thickness to fit into any sliding door track without any major works. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.